Hey guys, we're getting ready to come back from our extended spring break, and I just wanted to check in with you and give you a few pointers of how to get ready. You don't need to do anything this week, just your normal. I think you had a news log due. This is a good week to do a news log. There's plenty going on, as you know, but nothing else is due this week. But for next week, what you can expect is I have assigned you a class meeting time via WebEx, and it's going to be during our regular time. Instead of coming to class at CBU, obviously you'll be coming to class on your computer. And in order to accommodate our larger group, I've broken you up into smaller groups of 15 to 20. So please look on Blackboard. You'll see your group. You're either 1, 2, 3, something like that, and it's alphabetical. So take a look. If it says Abraham through Furtado and you're Delgado, that's your group. If you're alphabetically in between those two names, that's your group. So then make sure you put a note in your phone or on your calendar that you need to log in at that time to WebEx. And then I'll give you some more instruction about how we're going to proceed and what's going to be due. Now, if you would like to practice using WebEx, I'm going to be open in my little remote classroom here today at 2, and you just would tap on that link that I've posted in Blackboard, and it should walk you through steps to come into my classroom, and then I'll be like, oh, hey, or tomorrow at 11 and then again at 2. I'm trying to practice so that it goes pretty smoothly as well. If you are a person who doesn't like to be bored and you're like, I just want to work on stuff, then here's things you can do if you want to get ahead. Nothing is due this week, but if you want to get ahead, of course, I'm always harping on you about those darn documentaries. So get watching on those and get those written up and uplinked in the assignment tab. And then if you want to get ahead, we're going to finish out Half the Sky and Good News About Injustice using bullet points instead of clicker quizzes. And so we have links now up. You could read chapter 9, make some bullet points, save it, then read chapter 10, make bullet points, save it, and you could do all of that. And when for Sky, we're going 9 through the end, which is chapter 14. Once you've bullet pointed all 14 chapters 9 through 14, you could upload that to the little link that's now out there. And the same for Good News. You go from chapter 9 to chapter 13, because that's what we have remaining, and bullet point those and upload them. Now, I do realize that if you have friends in the class, it will be easy enough to cheat, and I'm asking you not to do that. These are really good books, and you don't have a whole lot else you have to be doing right now. It's not like most of you don't get to work right now, and none of you get to go out to the movies or to the beach or whatever. So just take this time to read a couple good books, do it on your own, and be part of the solution to this weird problem instead of being part of the problem. So that's my exhortation for you, to just do your own work and not cheat on that. All right. If you have questions, either come into my practice WebEx classrooms, or we'll talk about them next week during your scheduled time. All right, bye. Stay well.